What's up, traders? I want to give you a quick update on natural gas, gold, and crude oil really quickly. So I'm going to start with natural gas first. I'm going to go through currency.com. Before I start my video, if you have not followed me on my socials, please do so because I upload live analysis and I send a notification on all my socials so that you receive a notification straight away, as sometimes YouTube takes a while to send you guys a notification. So make sure you follow me there. So let's start our analysis with natural gas here. So as per my previous video, as per yesterday's video, let's see what I've said quickly. I'll come back, it won't be long. And we are in an uptrend. I only look for selling reason if I have a hit of my next resistance zone 7.402. So we can expect a pushback in this zone, and then we can expect to hit 7.726, and I will look for buying trades once we have a hit of this yellow zone. That is our next resistance that has been respected in the past as a support and resistance. Exactly as I said yesterday, I'm going to look for sell trades only once we hit this zone, and I'm still expecting market to push up. I was expecting, and as you can see, the market pushed up dramatically at in between this zone. And if you look at 1 hour time frame, we are getting a nice engulfing candle that will close in next 20 minutes or until I finish this video. So if once we have a close of this candle, if even if the candle moves up and if we have closed below this previous candle, so once we have this close, and we have a nice chances for the market to push down at least 1 ATR. Let's say if it closes here, we should see the market to at least move down. So my target will look like this 1 ATR, which is 10, 11, that's 2, 11, something like this. But the candle has still not closed yet. So adjust your tool according to the candle. If it closes above, move it up, move your stop loss above, whatever the ATR is telling us. And I'll send that position to my priority members as well once we get a confirmatory reason. So we are now in a selling zone. The market can also push up in this zone and give us a nice double top move with an entry reason, engulfing entry reason, or a pin bar, and can give us a nice double top move as well. This is our bearish entry reason, bearish pressure as well. And if the market moves up, not breaking above this high, then there's a very good chances if you get a double top move, then it's a very likely chances the market can give us a very nice move down. And let's say if this candle won't close here, if it close above this green candle, then this condition will be invalid. So let's check on currency.com really quickly. Same here, we were expecting market to push up and hit this yellow zone, which has been hit today. And once we have a close this of this candle on 1 hour time frame, we can look for sell trades 1 ATR above and 1 ATR below. You can add 5 with ATR as well, or you can manage your position by moving a stop loss to break even and move 1 ATR further down. Similar here, we can still get a push up, and we can still get a nice double top action if the market push up from this zone and give us a nice entry reason to take short trades. If we get that, we can expect a good push down from this zone. And again, guys, if this candle moves up and close above or equal to this previous candle, then these conditions will be invalid. We need to see market to at least close below the wick of the previous candle. Let's quickly check gold. As you can see, we have a good engulfing candle, nice entry reason, but I'm really strict with my rules. I wanted to see a push up in this zone to see this sort of entry reason on 4 hour time frame. But yes, it can still move down from here. I can still see the goal to hit at least 1976. If we break below that, it can still move further down to 1962. If we do not break below 20 EMA, then I can expect a bounce up again to this pink zone. Let's check oil. Crude oil now almost hit our level of resistance. If you remember my last few videos, we've been waiting for the market to hit this zone. So now we are almost there, and I will look for a nice bearish candle from here to take short trades, a 180 or above and below. And if we push up, and if we do not get any sort of entry reason and lets the market push up, I will still look for sell trades in between this zone as a double bottom, or sorry, double top, or an engulfing move from crude oil. So that was a quick one on commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care.